In this video, you will learn how to use the SUMIF function in Microsoft Excel. So let's go to the Excel and understand the SUMIF function in detail. Please watch the video carefully from starting to end so you don't miss out any features of the SUMIF function. So I'll be explaining with a lot of examples, so please be patient and watch till the end. In SUMIF function, we can use some criteria and we can calculate the sum based on that criteria. For example, I have fruits and I have sales. In this case, for example, I want to know how much is the apple sales total. So I am just highlighting for the easy reference. So if you manually calculate, it is 100 plus 150, but when you have a lot of information, then it is difficult to calculate, and when we have a lot of criteria to be calculated, it will be also difficult. So now we are going to take apple as a criteria. You can type, or you can type in the formula with double quote equal to SUMIF your range. Range must be where your criteria stands from that place. So here you can select with header or without header, but make sure if you are selecting without header, you are selecting in all places without the header and show. Your criteria is your apple and you want to know the sum of your sales, and close the bracket. In this case, you have apple 1 where this is not getting added because you have given criteria as only apple. So if you come down, if you calculate cherry total, if you copy this formula, then if you press F2 and check the formula, it will be moved to the down. So in that case, you have to press absolute by pressing F4 in the middle of A2, and here also and here also. F2 we are making constant because we are going to change the formula in the down. Now you can see the cherry total is getting calculated. Now how to use wildcard features? Let's copy this formula. Either you can type star at the end so that it will calculate 250 plus 50, or we can go inside the formula. Instead of F4, you can type with double quote apple, or you can simply select it and type and double quote star with double quote. So it will be taking your wildcard features. Now it will be getting added with your 300. Now in the next example, for example, you want to calculate the April month total purchases. In this case, let's type, or let's go inside and type the formula. So here you have to type equal to SUMIF. Now your range must be starting from here, not from here. Let's say like this, your criteria is, you can type with double quote April, your sum range will be your purchases. Since you have taken with your header, then you have to select with header, otherwise you may get some different number. Now instead of B1, if I type A1, you will get some numbers which is not exactly the same. For example, your April total is how much? Your 120 plus your 150, 270, but here you are getting 230 because you have selected the A cell. If you select your B cell, you will get your exact amount. In this case, I have told in the beginning itself, while selecting the formula, make sure where your criteria stands from that place till your range, or more you can select, but you should not select before the data, otherwise you will get the incorrect amount. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more useful videos, and please like, share and comment, and let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching.